Welcome, and thank you for joining me for this powerful prayer. Feel free to listen to it anytime that you are in need of remembering who you truly are. Pass it along to those who might need reminding, repeating it throughout the day. As we begin to center ourselves, I invite you to take a deep breath in through your nose out through your mouth, creating spaciousness as you open your hands to the sky, ready to receive divine blessing. Dear God, guardians, homies in the sky, our sacred Earth Mother, thank you, thank you, thank you for the strength, for the courage, for the understanding, call on you today to ask for your powerful guidance and support in remembering who we truly are, remembering our divinity, our power, and unconditional love. With every heartbeat we feel within our chest, a powerful reminder of the sacred vessel created specifically to carry us through this human life, to protect and awaken our powerful spirit. Call on you today to send powerful transmissions of light and love down through our crown chakra, where we can absorb the knowing, the spiritual world, and our divine destiny. As this powerful transmission flows through us, allow it to fill us with the remembrance of our creation, of our creativity, our sensuality, our ability to create worlds with our minds. As we use our human form in divine unaligned action, allow us to feel a deep peace and a safety with each decision we make. Falling back into surrender, trusting the unconditional support all around. I remember. Dear Source, please fill us with life force energy. Sacred Earth Mother, ground us in, keep us anchored. Homies in the sky, we ask for your sweet and divine wisdom, your truth, knowing, as we begin to embody who we truly are. We thank you for always having our back, even when it didn't feel like it. And we ask that if we begin to sink into lower vibrational thought patterns or negative thinking, separating ourselves from divinity, that we are gently reminded, brought back to center and grace, to live out our true purpose and calling. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Amen.